thaw some high quality croissants on a silicone mat. Wash some organic pears and apples. I squished the croissants together. And now I'm going to put parchment over it and roll it out. If it sticks to the parchment paper, just pop it in the freezer for a little bit and it will come off. Over medium heat, add some butter to your pan, and then your apples and your pears. And you just sort of want to cook them down halfway so they still have some texture. And we'll let them cool before we put them on the puff pastry. Also, to midway through cooking, you might want to add cinnamon, some nutmeg, vanilla, or a little bit of lemon juice depending on how they taste. The pear gets a little bit mushy, but it comes out delicious. And this is what it looks like at the end.